Hi students. All birds find shelter during a rain, but eagle avoids rain by flying above the clouds. Problems are common, but attitude makes difference. So change your attitudes and solve the problems like eagle. So today we are going to learn our third lesson, negative sentences. There is affirmative sentences and negative sentences. Affirmative sentences means positive sentences. Negative sentence means in that sentence there is a word not. She is a singer. She is not a singer. So how can we make a affirmative sentence into negative sentence? We can add the word not with the helping verb. She is here, is the helping verb. And with this helping verb, we have to add the word not. Thus, we can make a affirmative sentence into negative sentence. For example, they are good players. Here, what is the helping verb? Are is the helping verb. We can add the word not with this helping verb. That means they are not good players. We already learned these things in third class. Another example is given. I am an expert driver. Here, what is the helping verb? Am is the helping verb. With this am, we have to write the word not. Am not an expert driver. He was present there. Here, what is the helping verb? Was is the helping verb. With this was, we have to write the word not. He was not present there. Fifth question is they were students. Here what is the helping verb? Were is the helping verb. With this word we have to add the word not. They were not students. The sentence, now 3 points are given here. First one, the sentences on the left hand side are affirmative sentences. The sentences on the right hand side are negative sentences because they have the word not in them. Third point is negative sentences express a refusal or denial. So this one it is affirmative sentences, left hand side. In the right hand side, this one it is negative sentences. So how can we realize negative sentence? Not will be there in the negative sentences. Now, next sentences are, read the following sentences. Affirmative sentences given and negative sentences also given. The gardener is watering plants. So here in this sentence is a continuous tense. Is watering, are grazing, is crying, was going, were reading. Here is, are, is watering, are grazing, is crying. These three words are which tense? Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense it is. And what about these two last two? They are past continuous tense. So in the continuous format, how can we make affirmative? How can we make a negative sentence? How can we make? We can make by adding not with the helping verb. Like first exercise we already see this one. How can we change this affirmative into negative? By adding the word not with the helping verb. Likewise, here is also we have to add the word not. The gardener is watering plants. Here the gardener is not watering. Second one, the cows are grazing. What is the helping verb? Are is the helping verb. With this are, we have to write the word not. Are not. The cows are not grazing. Now the third example is the baby is crying. Here is crying. With this helping verb is, we have to add the word not. The baby is not crying. Fourth example given, she was going. She was going. This was is the helping verb. With this helping verb, we have to add the word not. She was not going home. Last one, they were reading the newspaper. Here, were is the helping verb. So with this helping verb, we have to add the word not. They were not reading the newspaper. The negative sentence in present continuous tense or past continuous tense is formed with am, is, are plus not plus present participle. That means ing form or continuous tense. Was, were plus not plus present participle. That means ing form. Now what is this? Read the following sentences. Next one it is the case of helping verb will not give, then how can we make affirmative sentence into negative sentence? That is in this examples. So I eat an apple every day. I eat an apple every day. Here what is the helping verb? In this sentence, is there helping verb? There is no helping verb. So what we have to check? We have to check the main verb. What is the main verb here? Eat. Eat is the main verb here. In this type of sentence, we have to check is there helping verb or not. If it is not a helping verb, we have to check the main verb, that is eat. And again, second step it is we have to check the tense of this verb, present or past. If it is past, we can write did. Okay. If it is present tense, then what we can write? If it is present tense, then we can write do or does according to the subject. Okay. According to the subject, we can write a do or a does. So there is no helping verb, we can write do, does and did. First we have to check the main verb, then we have to check the tense of the verb. If the tense is in past tense, we can write did. If the tense is in present tense, we can write a do or does. But according to the subject, we can select a do or a does. If the subject is singular, we can select a does. If the subject is plural, we can write a do. Okay. So in this sentence, it is present tense. It is the main verb. It is present tense. So what we can check? We have to check the subject. What is the subject here? I is the subject here. I is first singular only, but it is first person pronoun. That's why we have to write here do. So the answer is I do not eat an apple every day. I do not eat an apple. We have to write a do, then we have to add the word negative word not, then write the main verb. I do not eat an apple every day. Now second sentence is she cleans her room every day. Here what is there any helping verb? No, there is no helping verb. So what we have to check? We have to check the main verb. What is the main verb? Cleans. Is it present tense or past tense? It is present tense. If it is present tense, what we have to check? We have to check the subject. Is it singular or plural? So she is the subject. She is singular subject. So what we can write? We can write does. Now third example is he plays the piano skillfully. Here is also there is no helping verb. What is the main verb? Plays is the main verb. So plays is in present tense. So what we have to check? We have to check the subject. What it is? It is he. So he, is it singular or plural? He is singular form. So we can write does. He does not play. Don't write yes again. Here plays, that is wrong because we already take does. here. That's why we have to write here only play. Don't write plays. Okay. Mohit arrived very late. Here, what is the helping verb? No, there is no helping verb. So we have to check the main verb. What is the main verb? Main verb is arrived. Is it present tense or past tense? So you know arrived, it is past tense. So we can write did in the answer. What is the answer? Sorry, what is the answer? Mohit did not arrive very late. Did not arrive. Did we write? Then not. Then write only arrive. Don't write arrived as a question. In the question there is arrived because there is not written did. That's why here already we written did. Past tense we already take it out. That's why only write arrive. Present form. Fifth example is it rained heavily yesterday. It rained heavily yesterday. Here it rained. Here is also there is no helping verb given. So main verb is rained. So what we have to check next? Is it present tense or past tense? So rained is past tense. So we can write did. So what will be the answer? It did not rain heavily yesterday. It did not rain heavily yesterday. Now, the negative sentence in present simple or past simple tense is formed with do or does, not base form of verb, that is simple present. Did not or base form of verb in past simple. Now next one it is read the following sentences, negative sentences. I have a computer. Here have is the helping verb. So with this helping verb have, we have to write the word negative word no. After using the negative word, don't use this type of articles. No, yeah, we can't write. Then okay, let us see. We have a house in Mumbai, second one. So here have is the helping verb. With this have we have to write the negative word no. We have no, then don't write a is already written in the question. That's not write here in the answer. Don't write a because we used here have no showing the possession. So don't write a again here. He has a sister. He has no sister. Fourth one, she has a notebook. She has no notebook. They had a camera. They had no camera. Sentence containing have, has, had show possession. Then the negative sentence is formed with the have, has, had plus no. No is another negative word which means not any. Now general rules for making negative sentences. The word not is placed between the helping verb and the main verb. She is not laughing. Here, is the helping verb, laughing is the main verb. In between these two verbs, we have to write the negative word not. The word not is jointly used with the modal verb can. They cannot do it. Modal verb. Can is a modal verb. Now third format. The following negative contractions verb plus not are generally used in the English language. Okay. I am not. I amn't. We can say the short forms or we can say the contracted form is amn't. Is not, isn't. Are not, aren't. Was not, wasn't. Were not, weren't. Have not, haven't. Has not, hasn't, had not, hadn't, do not, don't, does not, doesn't, did not, didn't, will not, won't. This one very important. Okay, because now in the exam time all the students are making mistake in this case. Will not, won't, not willn't, won't. will not. Answer is contracted form or short form is won't. Wouldn't, sorry, would not, wouldn't. Shall not, again shan't. Here will not, won't, shall not, shan't. These two cases all the students will make mistake. So you just listen these two words. Should not, shouldn't, cannot, can't, could not, couldn't, must not, mustn't. Now, how can we write this? Amint. Amint. Okay, how can we write? A-M-N-T. Then we have to write a apostrophe. We have to put apostrophe between N and T. And on the top side. Okay. On the top side itself you have to put the apostrophe. Don't write in this way. Some of them will put apostrophe like a comma. That is the wrong way. We will not give you any marks. So every time you have to remind one thing, apostrophe should be put on the top side and in between N and a T. Now exercise A we are going to do. I do not, what is the question? Write the contracted forms of the words given in the brackets. I do not dash like coffee. Do not, what is the contracted form? Contracted form means a short form. What is the short form of do not? That is don't. We did not, that is answer is didn't. She does not, doesn't. Their behavior was not good, wasn't. They were not present in the meeting. Here were not, what is the short form? Weren't. He cannot solve the sum. Here what is the short form of cannot? Can't. Now what is the short form of will not? That is won't. W-O-N apostrophe T. Won't. You should not. That is shouldn't. We shall not. Again shan't. We must not. Mustn't. So learn this lesson and do the exercise part in your book. Take care. Bye. See you.